And we are back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another amazing landscape transformation. That's right. What we did for this customer is dealt with the water that was coming in on the landscape by being able to come up with a custom design. And let me show you exactly what I did on this landscape. I came back with this beautiful decorative river rock in order to create a dry creek bed design that also allowed for us to be able to appropriate the water that was on this landscape and get it off of this landscape. Now, in addition to that, I also brought in our beautiful decorative gravel, that of the 1 to 2 inch aggregate. Just ensure that the water that was moving through the path of least resistance is gonna have to go through an aggregate before it falls into our drainage solution, which is our dry creek bed. So all of this allows for us to be able to provide our customer with a solution that lasts a lifetime, but it also says it's one of the reasons why we become the highest rated landscape drainage expert in the area. When it comes to solving landscape drainage problems, we're gonna provide you with a solution that lasts a lifetime while also providing you with one that you can utilize forever. And it says that the way in which we created this design, it gives you an opportunity to understand our landscape design as an art. That's right, our landscape drainage solutions are art. And within that thought consciousness, it allows for you to be able to see that as you see us give you this quality, the quality of which you can't find in most landscaping companies because it's just not there. But we've been able to do it today for this customer, and it's allowed for them to be able to take back their landscape in an exceptional fashion, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping.